Hi, I'm Ajit and this is my bike check. So, I'm running S&M slam bars. Don't know what riders they are, but ODI grips, odd coloured. Alfie Wells gave them to me. Proper microlight stem, got that off Harry Clark. Cheers, body. United headset. Federal something forks, don't know what they are, but they're really good. And they're chrome and shiny. Cinema front wheel laced to a United Supreme front hub with a Demolition Momentum 2.35 tyre and a salt peg, and it's really close to my forks. Look, that's pretty crazy.
That is very close.
You kind of rub sometimes if I grind so much. Let's move back. We've got Colt pedal on this side and a Federal on this side. And I've also just brought some JCPCs, but they're not here yet, they're coming tomorrow. A Hoffman B-Rad frame that I got off Reese Lynn's, but I put a United Mothership sticker on it, because it looks like a United Mothership. Got that off Elliot, thanks man. I got United cranks, United bottom bracket, United 28.2 sprocket, left-hand drive. Got a chain off Ben Clark, it's pretty good, it's KMC. Federal free coaster, absolutely sick. Best free coaster ever. Dead silent, as you can tell. Laced with United spokes and Alienation Black Sheep V2 chrome rim. And United
sorry, you just hit my head.
With
the weld line.
Animal.
Right there.
Yeah, it's an animal. ASM tyre board, go real fast, you know. Streak. United hub guard and salt peg. Yeah. Oh, my seat. It's United seat.
What seat post?
Don't know. I think it's a carbon fibre Pro Light. Something stupid like that. It's really cool though. I'm listening to Kanye West. Fucking tune, man. Gotta rock some Nikes, you know. Nike. Alright, so now for some clips.
Snaked by the skater. He did.